What is up, internet? My name is Logan Paul.
I'm Dwarf Mamba.
Today we're putting him in this suitcase and shipping him to Paris. Wave your final goodbye. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Hey yo, good morning, Low Gang. What's poppin'? Good morning, what's poppin'? So yo, today, what's going down, Evan?
I'm gonna fly on a plane.
But inside, Evan is visiting me from Maryland. We've been friends for what, 3 years now? He was one of my first friends when I started Vine, and whenever we get together, we make heat on the internet. Today I was like, yo, we're going to Paris, we're flying to Paris. I was like, why don't we take Evan and stuff him in a suitcase and do like a human luggage international travel challenge. Yesterday we actually had to make some modifications to the suitcase. Get it on! See, this is dope because now the edges are jagged. But no matter, Evan, good news for you, I'm hooking you up with that good. We got you snacks on deck, Evan. Check this out. So we got the beef jerky, we got trail mix, we got this protein bar. My man has some water, some sleeping pills, bro. Sleeping pills. I'm thinking way ahead because I feel like you're gonna be sitting there and you're gonna be like, yo, this sucks. Because even though you like fit, it's just gonna suck.
It's a long flight.
It's a 10-hour flight, so I figure you take these whenever and it'll put you and knock you the out, bro. So last night we practiced this, and this is the perfect position for Evan to fit and be comfortable. Here, turn on the light so we see what it looks like with the GoPro. Great. Oh yeah, bro. So food here, bueno. Water here, and then sleeping pills will go behind here. And then, yo, we got this blanket because I feel like it's gonna get cold. I did some research, and then boom. I'm gonna shut this, bro, just real quick. Okay. And then, yeah. Are you good? Okay, dope. I'm shutting this. Bueno. And now you're on the GoPro.
Yeah.
Alright, how you
Feel comfortable?
Comfortable?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, good. Alright, I'm taking you out. Yo, alright, talk to me.
Yo.
Yeah?
It's gonna work.
Ah, that's my boy! I'm most worried about Evan not being able to, oh, whoa, that was dope. About you not being able to breathe. Thoughts, opinions, questions, concerns.
I'll be fine, bro.
Why?
I don't get claustrophobic.
You're not claustrophobic? Even beyond claustrophobic, it's like it's tiny.
So am I. I'm good.
Yeah, but like, you'll be chill?
You put two to go together, it's perfect.
Okay.
With like small spaces, I actually like that, you know? It's like,
Why?
I don't know, it's like, I feel protected, you know? It's like a defense mechanism.
What? It's happening, bro. My concern now that I'm thinking about this more, legality. Is this illegal? Like, you're in the bag, they open up, they see a dwarf in there, and it's you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Please don't put me on the no-fly list, officer, please. They're like, oh, he's too cute.
Oh, this kid's cute. So sometimes I know they inspect the checked luggage, so I'm hoping if they're not going to inspect you, but if they do, they mistake you for a teddy bear.
It's oversized teddy bear with food.
Have you
Also, I know there's like a weight limit with some bags.
I think it's 50 pounds.
I'm about 80 pounds.
That's an overweight bag, but I have checked a 70-pound bag before. You pay the baggage fee and we're fine. No one's gonna be like, yo, there's a human inside here. They're just gonna be like, yo, this is a heavy bag. But you can't, yo, when you're inside, you get like silent, just try and be quiet, because if they hear you talking, Okay, we're at the airport. Evan, can you get my bags? It's crowded, dude. Like, way more crowded than I would have liked. Look at all these people, bro. All these people. Yo, what are they gonna think when we see us stuffing you inside of a bag? Admit this is the move. Admit this little place is the move. We got one worker behind you, one worker behind me. Clearly, they have no idea what's going on, bro. We're good, G. I waited here for 30 minutes for him. Manager Jeff finally showed up. Yo, what do you think of what we're doing right now?
I think it's pretty stupid because
Okay, this is happening right now. Are you ready, G?
Don't do it, Logan.
I'm doing it. Okay.
Evan, thumbs up. I need a thumb.
Give me a thumbs up. Okay, we're good.
There it is.
Evan,
Thumb up.
thumb up.
There it is.
We're chilling. All right, let's do this.
Starting to get really nervous, not gonna lie.
Is there an extra bag fee for business class members?
You're allowed 2 bags.
You're allowed? Okay, no. Okay, so this weighs 36.45. This is in kilograms. I don't know how many pounds that is, but I think it's good. Goodbye. Where are they taking you? Where are they taking you? Hold on, they're taking Evan somewhere. I thought they would just put him like on the conveyor belt over there, but homie's like walking him somewhere, so I'm gonna see where he's taking him. Oh, this is it. This is it. This is it. Oh, get out of the way, get out of the way. No, they put him on his side. Evan. Oh. Buddy.
What's up?
How you doing, bro?
Good. I think they're checking it out.
How do you feel, bro?
Still nervous.
I feel like if you made it this far, you're fine.
Yeah.
You right?
I can't believe we're actually doing this.
So yeah, bro, this is gonna be the last time I see you till Paris.
See you soon.
I love you, bro.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Yo, what are we doing right now?
It's been like an hour and a half right now. Getting kind of hungry. No. So hot. Oh, that's hot. Moving again now.
What if we can see them loading the bags?
Let's look.
Let's check. Okay, these things are empty, which is, I think is where they put the bags. And I don't see any TSA agents or police officers, so fingers crossed, knock on wood, that's cement, but I think we are good to go. Paris, here we come. Evan has not called me yet, because I feel like if he gets caught, he can still make a call, right? Right? Sick, so I think we're good. Okay, we are taking off. I have not gotten a call from Evan yet, so I'm assuming we're okay. My man, I love you, I love you, I love you. Be safe down there.
We're taking off right now. We're taking off right now. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my god. It worked. Holy shit, it worked. The world's greatest tour. Let's go. It's got really cold all of a sudden. Luckily, I bought this jacket just in case. This jacket over here. It's so cold. It's not even funny. It's getting miserable right now. But past time. Bought some sleeping pills. Help me get through this. There's still cold, but pretty tired right now. I'm gonna pass out. I'll wake up in Paris. See you guys till then.
Okay, whoa, that was actually kind of loud. We just landed in Paris. It doesn't look like Paris, but trust me, we're here. And when I say we're, I'm hoping that also means Evan. So it's 7:09 a.m. right now. I actually have a ton of energy right now. I should be sleepy, but I slept for like 8 hours. And honestly, I just want to see my boy. I'm hoping he's good.
Let's go. Woken up right now. I'm definitely off the plane right now. Okay. Now it's 7:28 a.m. Well, definitely while we're awake right now.
Hey, goodbye. Getting off the plane. Oh, what's up, Paris? It is 7:26 a.m. I have one mission, and that is to get my boy. I'm freaking losing my mind right now.
Oh, Logan, I hope you see me. Please get me. I just want to get out of this thing.
Oh, here, go.
Oh my god.
I hope he gets me. I hope he gets me. Oh, is that Logan? Is that Logan? Is that Logan?
It's insane.
We made it. We did it. Let's go.
You're right? You're right?
Yeah, I'm good. I was cold at first.
But you were fine?
Yeah, so, but I'm good.
Did you sleep at all?
Yeah.
Oh man, yo, what? This was your home, bro. Yo, you good? Yeah. Are you tired or anything?
I feel a little tight, but
Yo, come here, bro. That's my boy, bro. Yo, what the f did we just do? Hey, yo, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. I want 100,000 likes on this video. I know we can do it, so go down, hit that like button, and then also subscribe if you're not a part of the Low Gang. We're lit, bro. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're not a part of the Low Gang. We will see you guys tomorrow for some epic Paris adventures. Take it easy, fam. Peace.